both of you.
Hey, Sarah, play some dove too.
But we decided it was illegal.
That's one. Yes, you do. You need one because that one doesn't shoot. Look at all these doves right here. Want one?
That is true.
Oh, yeah. Put it in the pile.
Hey, Charles, do you have a big time down
What's it look like, Wyatt? Feel
Look at his eyes.
it. I see his eyes.
They look like
Hello?
they're inert. Hey, Wyatt. What? Yeah. And I also like Cohen.
Char's pretty though.
Yeah. Charles is pretty.
The last one there, like everyone else started kicking up.
Here, here.
It's kind of hard to. I don't know. It just goes
Hey.
You want to know why I honestly like them?
Where's the next? Where's the next one?
Me and Chas are both no red dye and creatine.
Say what's up? What's up, Poppy? Say that.
Isn't that right?
Say what's up, Poppy? Hey, no.
Right, Chas. Working.
Shoot, maybe no shooting, no
Shoot
maybe
at.
bullet. Cheapest part of this thing.
Hey, let's go. Where's the next one?
I like
We
that
turn
gator,
it
but I
a little bit.
cannot stand
Where is it?
having a red mouth and red on my lips.
they're
That's why I
about to
like
turn.
the cherry, the white cherry.
Okay, I'll get it.
Wyatt, hang on. No, you got one.
I'll get it. Oh,
There's like 4 or 5.
Yeah.
Stop. Hey, Cohen.
There's another one over here.
That one was right here.
There's one
No, I'm laughing.
2 or 3 in that.
Oh, dang, he's gone. Cohen's got gone.
Come here, Bubba. Buzz. Buzz.